RSS Chief Mohan Bhagwat on Thursday met with many Muslim intellectuals, including Chief Imam Dr. Imam Umair Ahmad Ilyasi. As per sources close to RSS, issues like the hijab controversy, Gyanvapi, and maintenance of peace and harmony among religions were discussed in the meeting. Other than Bhagwat, senior RSS members including Dr. Krishna Gopal, Indresh Kumar, Ramlal, and Karish Kumar also participated in today's meeting. Sunil Ambekar, the Akhil Bharatiya Prachar Pramukh of RSS, told ANI that the meeting was a part of the Samvad process. The controversy over hijab erupted from Karnataka College and is currently being heard in Supreme Court. It also came up in the findings of intelligence agencies that PFI was behind triggering the controversy. After the controversy erupted regarding Gyanvapi, the RSS chief met with Muslim intellectuals and academicians. Earlier on Tuesday, RSS chief Mohan Bhagwat met with many Muslim intellectuals and discussed recent controversies and ways to strengthen religious inclusivity in the country.